Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 死 step by step. I will first write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. Now, let's write. 死 to die. Inflexible. Extremely. For example, 死心 to give up. To drop the matter. Now check this sentence. If you find yourself in that situation, would you give up? 如果你发现自己处在这种情形，你会死心吗？ If you find yourself in that situation, should you give up?如果你发现自己处在这种情形，你会死心吗？如果 if 你发现自己处在这种情形，你会死心吗？ Should you give up? 你会死心吗？ If you find yourself in that situation, should you give up? 如果你发现自己处在这种情形，你会死心吗？死 in cursive. To die. Inflexible. Extremely. 死心 to give up, to drop the matter. If you find yourself in that situation, should you give up? 如果你发现自己处在这种情形，你会死心吗？死。Okay, please comment any words or sentence with the character 死. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.